I like it a lot. Got a weld cut and drawing setting. So you got your shade, your darkness, so you can see. I usually set mine about 11. And then you got a delay. You want to set your delay all the way down. You don't want to have a delay. The more delay, the more arc flash you're going to get. And then your sensitivity is the sensitivity to light. So when it strikes, you have it turned all the way up, so that way it can see when it's going.
If you have union boys like we do, this is a great gift idea. It's linked below for you to check them out.